Pressure switches are devices that are activated when a certain threshold or set point is reached. These fail-safe response components instruct the system to perform an action when that threshold is met. Often deployed for safety, they can also be implemented to warn if a system needs to be inspected or have components replaced. Pressure switches advise if there is too much pressure or if there is blockage resulting in insufficient flow.
Very common, some devices incorporating pressure switches within the medical and HVAC markets are ventilators, positive airway pressure devices, oxygen concentrators, air filtration systems, and air conditioning vents. Pressure switches can be fixed or variable. As their name implies, fixed pressure switches have non-changeable thresholds set by the pressure switch manufacturer. With variable pressure switches, the thresholds can be set either by the device maker or dynamically in the field. Unlike common switches, the superior sensor pressure switch includes 3 pressure threshold modes. 1 fixed mode that is set at our factory, and 2 variable modes. 1 set by the device manufacturer, and a second that is field programmable via software.
The 3 modes provide full implementation flexibility. As an integrated part of the sensor, our pressure switch removes the need for a discrete one. So it eliminates the cost of an external pressure switch, streamlines manufacturing, lowers system-level power consumption, simplifies product design, and speeds time to market.